All right, 64 years after the AICC meet is taking place in Gujarat, loaded with political symbolism. 30 years, the Congress has been out of power in Gujarat. So the chosen venue was Gujarat for the Congress's top brass to come into a huddle. All of this at the back of back-to-back electoral debacles. The aim of the meet to chalk out the party's roadmap up ahead, where the ideological bent of the party is concerned, and of course, politically, on the upcoming elections.
An AICC session on the centenary of Mahatma Gandhi's ascent as Congress President in the year that marks the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, held in Gujarat, a state where the Granole Party has been out of power since 1995. A summit high on symbolism, drawing a roadmap for the party, bogged down by back-to-back election debacles. The agenda for brainstorming included alliance management within the India bloc, organizational revamp, election preparedness ahead of assembly polls, challenging the Waqf Act, strategies to counter Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Gujarat elections. Rahul Gandhi has set the tone at the CWC meet earlier on Tuesday. Sources say the Congress MP admitted that while they reached out to Dalits, Muslims and Brahmins, the OBCs left them. He had reiterated that the party should continue speaking for justice for minorities, even if it invites criticism. On Wednesday, he elaborated on the Congress fight for social justice.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि हिंदुस्तान का पूरा धन 2-3 लोगों के हाथ में होना चाहिए। इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि हिंदुस्तान की सब यूनिवर्सिटीज के वाइस चांसलर आरएसएस के होने चाहिए। मगर आरएसएस और बीजेपी रोज इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं और इनको सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी रोक सकती है।
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge reiterated the party's demand for a caste consensus. He pointed out how Dalits are discriminated even today, pointing to a purification ceremony held in a Rajasthan temple by a BJP leader after the leader of opposition, Tikaram Julli, a Dalit, offered prayers at the shrine.
दलितों को, पिछड़ों को और अपर कास्ट में भी जो गरीब लोग हैं उनके लिए जो रिजर्वेशन था वो रिजर्वेशन के तहत वो भर्ती नहीं करना चाहते हैं, नौकरी नहीं देना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए एक एक करके पब्लिक सेक्टर को तो बेच रहे हैं और अपने दोस्तों को सुपुर्द कर रहे हैं।
Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi skipped the CWC meeting, but sources say there is a bigger role in store for her ahead of crucial assembly polls in many states next year. The big question remains, how was the AICC session in Ahmedabad any different from similar sessions in the past, and how can it help the Congress revive itself? With Mausami Singh and Rahul Gautam, Bureau Report, India Today.